Research last night after I uploaded my latest video. I wanted to see if anyone was taking any legal action against the deployment of 5G small cell antennas 500 feet apart throughout Long Island. And I found some more information, and on 12/10/2018, Britain, the people won. The judge agreed with them, and it's because they prevented the deployment of those antennas and towers. 5G. 5G is not safe. Why are they forcing the hazardous technology on the public when they know it has a multitude of health risks attached? Well, I'll tell you, digging a little deeper, there is a reason. And of course, it's all about money and who's number one. It's not about the people. It's not about health. They just don't care. I found this article here. First, I'm going to do it backwards. First, I'm going to read 2 paragraphs. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Is this the one? Hold on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. The case in Rochester represents an increasingly common public-private struggle in the race to 5G as the Republican-led FCC, Federal Communications Commission, seeks to remove what Chairman Ajit, whatever his name is, says are burdensome local regulations that could cause the United States to fall behind China. It's all about who's going to win first. But in paving the way for 5G networks, he has been criticized for favoring the companies who will profit from them. It's all about profit. This guy's, he's really for the companies, but he's acting as if he's protecting the cities and towns. Was that it? Okay, here we go. Unlike current 4th generation wireless technology, which uses existing cell towers and can send signals across long distances, implementation of the next stage, known as 5G, will require installation of new cells. Those are those small cell antennas that they want to install 500 feet apart, in addition to cameras being placed on street lights, in addition to cameras being installed on other infrastructures. They're smaller than previous ones, sometimes the size of a backpack, but 5G requires that hundreds be deployed in close proximity to each other. Sorry, it's taken me a moment. Oh, this says it all. Unconstitutional, biologically dangerous 5G. Blanket radiation, 24/7, 365 days a year. You're going to be walking around wireless radiation that damages the DNA. And it's been proven, and that's why in other areas of the world they're winning. The people are winning. So I was doing research to find out if there were any groups of people taking legal action, because I would like to join in. Now, there was one more thing, guys. This article is very good. It's about upstate New York, and I live in New York. you know, I don't want them. I don't want 5G spread across Long Island. It's proven that other parts of the world, they're saying, they already proved it. It causes damage to the human DNA. And it's holds high radiation. It hasn't been tested enough, and they're using us as guinea pigs. They're using us as test rats. And that's exactly what's going down here. They don't give a shit about us. Well, I do. One more thing. There was one more article here. One more paragraph. What it is, they want to charge these big companies a lot of money for installing antennas on their telephone poles, using their infrastructure to deploy the cameras. And of course money comes into play. I wish I had that. I thought maybe I could find it. But the point is, they're charging these companies money to install the cameras. That's what this comes down to. This is a very good article. I'll put this link in the description below, because it really explains how, you know, it's all about money. They don't care. They want to beat China. The United States wants to beat China. They don't want to fall behind China, and they want to earn a lot of money from it. Oh, this one. Verizon's suit against Rochester claims that an ordinance passed by its city council in early February violates a 2018 order by the Federal Communications Commission that limits the annual fees a city may charge for deployment of small cells on utility poles to $270 per piece of equipment. And then it says the city's ordinance allows fees up to $1,500 for the use of each utility or light pole. So that guy, he's claiming he's for the town, but he's really trying to lower the price to $270 per installment instead of $1,500. Again, it comes down to money. The people that are really up there that are deploying this 5G radiation throughout our communities don't give a shit about us. And if you follow the map, I don't have it open now, there are some towns that don't have any 5G antennas. Well, I happen to feel I know those towns. The educated people that live in those towns. They also know who to contact. They also have the power, the money to fight against the 5G antennas being installed in those towns. And that's what I'm trying to find out. Because I will find out. I can't be the only one who's against this in Long Island. There is no way. Impossible. And I'm going to reach out, continue to do research, and find out where the groups that are fighting against 5G being installed all over Long Island, New York. I want to be a part of that group. I want to be someone who helps prevent the destruction of Long Island. Okay. As I learn more, I will continue to share the information. And thank you for listening. I'll put all the links that I spoke about. Oh, and I will also add these two links. Very good videos to watch in the description below. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There are two videos that were recorded by people like me explaining how dangerous the 5G is. This guy's great. He installed them. And he gave up his job of $60,000 a year. And he gets really into why he decided to give up his job, because he knows, he apologizes for even installing a few towers and antennas, and he gets into detail how dangerous 5G is. It's dangerous because if they don't deploy billions of them throughout states, or millions of them, or thousands of them throughout states and billions of them throughout the United States, the 5G is not going to work because it needs direct connection for the super fast lightning wireless. I'll include all the links in the description below. Thank you for listening, folks. See you in the next video clip.